Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Jasmy video update. Today we do see a little bit of a pump going on, and that's actually amazing. I'm pretty sure people had their stop losses somewhere here in these areas. I think they've actually pumped the coin to get the liquidity grab. But I haven't been so negative on Jasmy honestly for the past few days, because as I told you before that, you know, Jasmy on the 4-hour time frame is amazing. If you look on the 4-hour time frame, I just showed you the RSI, and this RSI has been a very long support for Jasmy ever since last year in December 2022. You've actually been making support there, support here, support, and then you finally came down to another support. You got support on the RSI there, this one here, this one there, and this one right over here. So this was almost an amazing place where it was always good to buy this. Okay, it was always good idea to get to try a little bit of Jasmy, but things can flip very quickly in this market. Okay, things can change in a flash and in a snap as well. So if I do go back into the daily, you're looking for this one top and the second top, and that's a very huge double M top right there, double top pattern here, and you got the neckline here, and I'm looking for maybe just maybe, if you do break below the neckline, you do have a very big technical target to come all the way down there. But the good thing is that the 4-hour time frame RSI actually comes to save the day, because that actually suggests that no, I don't think I want Jasmy to go down. Now if Jasmy is not going to go down, and it's not interested to go down, then the only place that makes sense for Jasmy to go is bounce off this area, or maybe even just come a little bit down, take this stop loss, and then try to move back up. And you do have this neckline which has been there for 1 year right now, and you have this one touch, second touch, third one, fourth one, and maybe try to climb back up again, and who knows, this time break it for good and actually go to 22,000 and make that 300% move to the upside, which we're really expecting for. But right now I still hate the fact that they couldn't actually manage to break this thing right over here. It ended up with a fake out, very bad fake out. They pushed it all the way down, and we still have support. This is more like a supply zone right over here, so that's actually, sorry, not even a supply, this is almost like a demand box over there. And if you end up losing this demand box, you're losing the neckline as well of a double top, and then you're going to actually go really badly to the downside unless you don't break it down and make a fake out and then try to go back up. That's a different situation. So that's it for this quick update on this coin, shit coin, meme coin, whatever, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.